I belong to you.
So it's 6:40 in the morning. We got up at 5 and it took us an hour before we could actually leave. We just got fuel and coffee and now we're going to keep going up to the mount. We're going to smash this drive out, so let's get it done. Unfortunately, the rain did not turn to snow. As you can probably tell, my goggles are next to useless. Luckily though, my snow gear's holding up. We're not getting too wet up here. Quite deep powder though. Since no one's coming down here, it's full of holes and pits and stuff, that's been smoothed over yet, but we'll make the most of it. Keep going. Wrist is a bit sore still from last time, but that's alright. So it's still ultra fresh out here. Rain sort of picked up a bit, but these runs up here, I found this one spot, no one's been there, and it's just completely fresh powder. Yeah, I think we'll shred a few more runs and then we'll go get some lunch. Jasmine's up there putting in that big work. Reckon she'll make it to the top. Let's see how far she actually gets. Quite impressed. Maybe she actually is getting the hang of it. Look at that arm position there. That backhand. That backhand is the MVP here. I'm just going to assume we've made it to the top now because it's like 50 metres left. I thought we made it. Here you had eyes forward.
I know.
Locked in position. Yeah, I did see it here, man. That's it. Oh, what happened? So, try and hit that black rod again. So try to do a better job than last time. It should not be too hard. Black rod, baby. Don't think we'll be too much longer, but you know, always making most of it while we're here. Head back over to the main mountain. Oh yeah!
Little booger on my shoe.
An actual booger?
The booger with legs.
So we're finally on the way home. Unfortunately, the rain never actually turned into snow, so it was just dribbling the whole day, which made it a little bit hard to do things because we couldn't wear goggles or anything, which meant we got wet and had literally no vision. We're gonna keep going, get this drive done, and we'll see how far we can get before we need another break.